Oh, this freak. This thing is freak. Um, I forgot something. Some old electronics, maybe new electronics too, but they are not that popular today. Um, Used to have in the 70s, 80s, and before. Um, Clear soldering mask. In other words, some kind of varnish that uh, was used to protect the copper and the circuits and the PCBs, the boards, the motherboards, whatever. So some of them use gold in some connectors, like uh, a headphone connector that is gold plated. Yeah, some of them. Um, but the amount of gold that an old motherboard versus a new motherboard can have. Yes, there are some old motherboards that has more uh, metal, more thickness, etc. But the reality is that the difference between an old motherboard and a new motherboard did not make a change of someone thinking that by destroying a motherboard we'll have a lingot of gold ever. The reality is that electronics that look like gold and they shine, etc., is because small manufacturers um, or manufacturers that want to uh, share, replicate, or don't care about the design of the electronic and more they like the look, they share or make more visual the tracks. But then the green, blue, red, purple, black is really common too. Soldering mask cover everything and make the product untouchable for anyone and protect for magnetic interference and all that kind of stuff too, corrosion, etc. And yeah, it's true, but it's a commercial thing too. Um, Become more popular, but the reality is that if you have a precise thing made with all care by machines, computers, and of course humans, um, do not destroy it, admire it, uh, take care of it, or give it to someone that can reuse it or know how to fix it or something. Uh, it's like destroy a watch. Uh, don't make sense. Uh, Precise things that are really delicate that um, maybe it's trash in use because it's damaged, but maybe someone else can fix it or strike a little thing that can make another thing work. And don't go searching for more shiny things because maybe you have more material in things like this. And if you just polish it and remove the dirt, you can see that gold, uh, gold shiny look that everyone like. And yeah, it's copper. So that's the thing. Not everything that shines is gold. Like my teeth. Thank God I have bones. And I hope they last forever. I want